Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
This event is the #1 event in our profession.
The moment that we know the date, it goes into our calendar.
This is a game changer.
Go, bro!
Everybody that is anybody in network marketing was here.
This is my first time at this event, and I'm absolutely blown away.
We're going to work on skills. We're going to work on mindset. We're going to work on strategy together.
You learn from some of the greatest people in network marketing what is working for them.
You learn something new every single time.
Fraser was unbelievable.
Rock emoji, rock emoji, rock emoji. He's just fun.
Tony Robbins, Sir Richard Branson, Magic Johnson. I mean, seriously, awesome.
Really what the award represents, it's a measure of how much difference we can continue to make.
I want you to play bigger. I want you to think bigger.
GoPro for me was a breakthrough.
Life-changing, absolutely life-changing. You have to experience it. You have to be here.
You know what to do. I believe this is the event of the year.
Stop thinking about it and start doing it.
It's amazing.
It was just fantastic.
And this is the 10th anniversary, so I'm sure they're going to do something absolutely amazing to celebrate 10 years.